Hello coders, take a reference to the problem set scenario in this particular data sheet. Suppose you are working in Big Bazaar, now you have to find the total of maybe the jeans of small size, what is the amount which is present in your stock, or maybe polo shirt of medium or maybe small, what is the amount, that is what is the number of, that is the counting of that particular clothing type that is present in your store. So what we'll be doing is that we will be using a function known by the name of SubTotal, and this function takes in 9. So 9, that means, which basically means is that the cells which are being highlighted, or which the cells which are being shown, only just calculate the sum of those cells which are being highlighted. Now what it will be doing the total based upon, it will be doing the total on this particular section. Now let me close the braces and press enter. Now 679 is the total types of clothes, either polo shirt or jeans, whatever it is. Now we'll be applying some filter. So what we'll be going is we'll be doing is that we'll be going to the insert section, and from there we'll be selecting the slicer, and okay, so we'll be inserting slicer and cloth and size, and then okay. So now we are having two types of sections in here. Now how about polo shirt of medium? Okay, so the total has gone. Let me just cancel out this particular filter, and let me cut this control, what to write this down maybe. So this section is being shown, but it is getting hidden. So what we will be doing is that maybe we will be control X. Let me cut this particular function and let me paste it in here. Control V. Fine. So jeans and then medium is 131. Again jeans large 59. Jeans small 214. How about polo shirt and then medium maybe? Now let me just rule out all the filters. So that's how subtotal function works. It takes in a value 9, that is the cells which are only visible. Just pull out the sum of those. And what if you don't want to do a sum? Then there are other aggregate functions as well, which are such as count, average, max, mean, product, and all those stuff. But we were doing a sum operation, so we selected 9, and then the sum will be based on this particular section. Then we applied some filter. So that's all for this short tips and tricks on Excel. Let me know in the comment section how you felt about this video. Thank you all, and happy coding.